yelling, screaming, the whole nine.
Year 2 in 2 locations with one main message.
Thank you to our healthcare workers.
Thank you very much for all you've done.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Baylor Scott & White Medical Center Irving is the first stop of this event showing gratitude to healthcare heroes.
You guys have been the shining light through all of it.
Teams from the City of Irving, the Chamber of Commerce, the Convention and Visitors Bureau, and the Las Colinas Association are here to recognize healthcare workers as part of National Nurses Week and National Hospital Week.
The work that they've done is incredible, and we're just happy to be out here to support them again.
From there, they moved to Medical City, Las Colinas.
I can't even begin to tell you how grateful and how full of my heart is for all the work that each and every one of you have done during this time.
Oh, it just feels amazing. The love and support from the community and the leadership here in the City of Irving is just tremendous.
The grit, the strength, the determination, you put the community on your shoulders.
Along with all of that gratitude comes some goodies. A day before the hospital campus visits, volunteers spread out across the Hotel Nilo ballroom.
We are stuffing bags today for our healthcare community to give back to them. We have about 1,500 bags to stuff.
I was a little like, oh wow, this is a lot, but we've been going really fast this morning. It's like an assembly line, really.
Grab a bag, stuff one of each, and try to keep up because we're moving quickly here.
Along with these bags of donated items, the healthcare workers will later receive a meal and more gifts. But on this day, the focus is the message.
I think I will not get emotional, I promise. You did what everybody needed you to do. And one of the hardest things that you did oftentimes was be the family for these patients. I don't think that there is a prouder moment that I can have.
Some emotion up there from you.
Yes, absolutely. It's an emotional time.
We could see it in your eyes, in your tears.
We feel the emotion for each of them that are working day and night to provide first-class health care to continue to keep our community safe.
And the things that you saw, the things that you did, and the comfort that you provided people will never be forgotten.
You've had a year's worth of emotion, a year's worth of exhaustion, a year's worth of passion and labor, but you now start to see that light.
We're hopeful. We're so excited that we have a vaccine and that people's lives are getting back to normal. It couldn't have been done without the amazing partnership and the relationships that we built during this time.
Irving's first responders always work closely with the local hospitals, and this provided a chance to express mutual appreciation.
We have a very close partnership, so for this Heroes event, we were happy to come out here and support their staff, the nurses and everything, and just let them know that we do appreciate them as well.
All the police and fire departments over the last year have had a really hard job, and we've come through it, I believe, with shining stars.
We're very fortunate to have the kind of medical and health care that we have in our city.
While the need for a range of medical services will continue,
and hallelujah, we are in a better place.
They are taking this moment to share in the appreciation of a grateful city.
We're here to honor you and thank you.
Thank you very much for your perseverance. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you very much for your dedication. Thank you for taking care of our residents when they came in and they're in the most important time of their lives when they're struggling and they're reaching out to you for help.
It is gratitude that will continue beyond this special week dedicated to healthcare professionals.
And you being there made all the difference in the world.
Thomas Gandy for City Source.